The 2019 coronavirus marched to its global transmission just a few more months before the 2020 school year came to a close, and all university gates were locked. Students and faculty were unable to return to their previous classes as if the virus had declared an indefinite suspension. In mid-March of the same year, President Rodrigo Duterte declared a state of emergency in Luzon and other parts of the country, and all establishments and institutions, including the academe, were forced to close their doors for the duration. Education, on the other hand, is confronted with a faceless class in the current year. There are no classrooms and there are no interactions. A typical student and a teacher are only provided with a computer screen on which to connect with one another.
Class, are you still there? Despite asking myself the same question for a year, I've never asked myself, am I still here? Perhaps the new normal has taught me to cling to the things that are still present in my life. Wisdom, hope, courage and dreams, among other things. Sleepless nights, shaky connections, uncertainty, and even fear are all part of the job description. But I am an educator. I promised myself that I would strive to be a better teacher on a daily basis. The classroom will be transformed into an environment where students can freely dream. Every discussion will be structured in such a way that students can learn to be smart and disciplined. I intend to transform the new normal education into a concrete step toward achieving one's goals. Class, are you still there? My absences from my responsibilities are non-existent on any given day. Because of how I was feeling at the time, I was on the verge of abandoning the project altogether. Because of this, I felt unproductive and out of sync. All of the events that are taking place right now have taken me completely by surprise. I'm embroiled in a conflict in which I am unable to participate. I was thrown into a battle that was rife with difficulties and exhaustion. But the story doesn't end there. I still have a lot to learn. I'm still able to aid. This is only the beginning of a new chapter in my life, one that I will face head-on with great determination. I am confident that I am fully armed with wisdom and inspiration, because I believe that only through challenges can success become meaningful. All you have to do is believe in yourself and work harder. Everything will be possible because you have the ability to do it. I'm still here, and I'm going to keep trying my hardest. #ITeach.
You are one of them, which means you have the same feelings as they do. Allow yourself to be free of all your worries and start believing in yourself. You're much more than that. Believe me. You are an educator who will shine a light on everyone's dreams and provide them with opportunities. We may have fallen several times, but we have learned how to land safely. Make a strong and courageous statement for our future educators.
You are heroes to us. You have blown us away with your brilliance, compassion, and determination, as well as your resilience and heart every day of this pandemic. You've pushed mountains to get to each child, no matter where they are or what obstacles lie in your way. You've conducted online meditations to start the school day, taught PE courses from your living room, recorded DIY scientific projects, and devised techniques to ensure in with each child. You've been our children's lifeline to normality and security, not only as a teacher. We will stand with you not only to make even bigger steps in these uncertain times, but also to help you achieve your goals and recognize your valuable efforts as our pillars of knowledge.